I have a question for you. What is your favorite type of workout? For me, it is weightlifting, running, which I don't really do that much anymore, and yoga. And many, many years ago now, I used to struggle with being consistent. And I am about to share a story with you about how my entire fitness journey began. But it really began out of just absolute desperation and being so sick and tired of doing the same thing over and over again. And the same thing over and over again was dieting and then working out and then dieting and then working out and then just never being consistent with it. There was a couple catalysts for me. One, I was sick and tired of that cycle of madness. The second catalyst was my gut health. I had a lot of issues with my digestive system when I was growing up, really all the way up into my 30s. And those two things were massive catalysts for change. But I want to back it up and just take you back to a moment where I really was like so sick and tired of the cycle. I would literally overeat, and then I would think to myself, let's go run it off. And that was a cycle. And I knew that that wasn't a healthy cycle, and I thought I could beat it. I thought I could really just like fix that overeating cycle and then going and trying to run it off. But it just kept happening. And if you can resonate with this, if you have ever been there, you know that what I'm about to say, it was maddening. It was maddening thinking that I could change it, and then it was not ever changing. And I couldn't figure out why. What was I doing wrong? Until one day I did. And I want to share that with you over the next couple of videos. Okay, before I go on, my name is Liz Nierzwicki, and I'm the author of Happy Healthy Fit. And I'm sharing with you this video today because I want to invite you to my entire journey of how I broke that cycle of madness. And really, it's right here in the section called Happy. What I had a problem with was keeping my word to myself. I had a problem with self-love. And I didn't know it was that. I really didn't think it was those things, right? But deep down, that's what it was. It was a problem with loving myself enough to keep a goal in front of me and honor my desires and my wishes. And it was keeping my word to myself. And all of that is a form of self-love. And I talk about that in my book. Really, I almost call this Your Holy Home, because I believe that your body is a vessel from God. Whether you believe in God or not, I just believe that our body is such a gift, and we're given this unique vehicle to drive around in this life with, and our soul lives in this body, and we're here to do something. And I knew that what I was here to do was not struggle with overeating and then running. That was a cycle of madness that I was in. And once I finished that, once I killed that off, you guys, I went on to do so much. I opened a yoga studio. I wrote a book, for crying out loud. It's really hard to do that. I opened a yoga school. I opened an online fitness program called Figure Fit. I started a podcast. I mean, the list goes on. And I'm here today to just help you break this cycle, because I know how maddening it can be. So I want to invite you today to get my book. I'm offering it to you for free. I have 1,000 copies to give away. All you have to do is pay for shipping, and I will ship this to you tomorrow as long as you sign up today. Get the book. Click on the link below. All you got to do is go to happyhealthyfitbook.com, and it's yours today for free.